Time sun is stop finish, moon too is stop finish. Every something no sky is stop finish. Start lo animal ko kasem cloud. Every something no sol water too is stop finish. Or something no ground, all wood, all animal start lo rat ko kasem mol man is stop finish. One something no way no stop yet. And me love. Time no cat love, cat man, cat rat, cat wood, pe no cat love. All man only sa ting blow fight naman. All woman only use blow bonem pikinini naman. No cat love. Ratu e misa hide, afraid from all fight. Go one day, wind blow love na, blow lo one small girl. Small girl grow up with them love ya. And meeting one warrior. Wareatu mi like him gelia. Now why please gelia iko? Wareatu folem. Why please warrior iko? Gelia tu folem. To fly walk about the same one no. Some lista lokol geta with them different height. Kim si to fly decide bloko lo bush. Now to fly ko sta lo bush. Mekem karen mekem mouse. Mikoko one big fala siki kam kasem aelan. Kare mo woman blow waraya tu. Yung waraya rem nugul. Kare woman blem. Iko puto mem lo karen. Pere me. Te pere woman blem si ma bilu kon small rat. Sa cham. Koko sa manisipas. Ilo kon small plant. Come out. Lo place we pere woman blem. They look ya glad. We glad. Plantia ikam big one. One day mi kam lokaren na be. Ilukratia iko isakagayol branch blem ol rus blem. And ilukratia sem they come out I chem itani si different. Sem si drong. Na kasem na si roots pro plantia mekem. Ratia drong. So ting blo mekem sem something sem ratia karem rus. Si krasem klinim and tring. Te tringa yarem feeling we woman blame stop. And planjana naya ni sakulem kava.
Emblomi kasi ini stablo lontis southeast Pentecost. Ini we win planem kavaya me wanem blo pa mi maskarem or mi maskasem ol kava we by kolo 7 6 ya 8 ya I depend lo ting blomi. From time I planem kava when me start planem, ting blomi blo choose one something we me must work from. And man me bin putumol kava stable sem from. Blo sem time me planem small first time. Ale me mekem small karin. Blo hand block kava I katan block kava ale mi blay mugum small ko planem bagel ko mi blay megam se time hand block kava blande mi blay tes karen katem bigola karen now one bigola karen mi odem boy blo mi tulay megam istako from 1 hectare Oi mi salem out finish. All kel, all boy, all big nini, all Madlen Kava.
Okay po.
Yes. Mi village tablet lisa all kel, all sem, all young kel, all sem one kel blumi mi kat Kava finish. All boy, all sambo, all stop, all kat tuel, iya namo, kata karen blol kata I different. Ino mo ko te mamablem probable.
Karen mi ino ekta mi afectano mo bemi mi separatem. Mi vin planem one first time, mi vin clean up lem, ale mi chest planem nara one paken, mi planem one lo one ya, ale natawan mi planem lo second ya ple mi sta wokol sem from time by mi aveste me we mi planem first time. Ba mi aveste me we mi planem first time supposi mi kasem 7 ya mi aveste me we kamlo 6 ya mi aves mi tek mot natawan mi leke o stop lo kasem time we ba mi aveste kabablo mi le.
Before finish, sem santra mi start lo small village. We angel blomi waited finish, emna yonem santra. Potem one man taiti. Igoko man taiti itet, angel itet. Oli putum gam lohan blomi, miolem, koko, emena instapem kasem di. Sometimes mulai pemol penamo mulai start cleaning. Inchat lokare. Sometimes mulai mekem kakay namo, family namo, cleaning. Karen. Kavai ay redi, mulai putum 5 ya ol sem 6 ya blong mulai avestem.
Planem Kava salem, now mi lo men work lo mi when mi start lo planem lo 1990 95. Kalau pak dengan kata Kapalnya ini sekarang lebih ini kawasan Wata, kalau kamar Wata, maskan lebih. Kalau saya itu lebih, itu misi di Puan, misalnya sih di Mantap, kita. Itu lebih. Kemia mi belai katen, ini teknis plan ini tik, by ini start sampai slow 1 week today. Tapos mi belai destek na slow, tik. Bangga, yan veterannya. Kemia we batin ini kintin, bisa stop 5 days no more for 4 days. Hindi ako migilin. Sigilin na niyo ako mili na niyo. Maling pinapili. Kamay na niyo ako mili na. Oh, na borkor ya na buwan ka mapli yung minister. Yusuf. Nivlay planemol kain kapal pau tulsem. Pero now ya we only been processing se pa yumi mas yusum borkor no mo. I mean now planem blo make a market export lem. Everyone we planem blo tring, planem blo export.
Itu lai bin lu finish kemia kawa wa planem blo plesha me blo santra no mo oli mekem santra lem brom imi pas blo pot lo trak ino kasem mi le plesha pot namo I kasem mi le plesha samtai imi garam santra le plesha imi kotan lo solwata le pleso imi kam start lo climb hill lem plesha no imi go lo plesha skelem kawa le plesha sa imi go lo bot body garam milo narsai. Oke tahu listap pem kable milai kable bisa. Sometimes challenge solwata ino kut. Imino saya ko quick lo narsai. Sometimes too much rain. Emi mekem sometimes kat place lokol kava sushi mi holem timas le plesia by kava mi sa export them from nalumdumi golem may cost from rainy big one sometimes rainy big one sometimes rainy stop 1 month 2 months well same emena I can send mi le plesia now.
Alfama woli bin karem kapai kam lepisa me yo barem 10 20 man gote mo man piknini sem sometime we mami o tati blol ketai no bin kam lo mi oli sem dem mol piknini blol ketai kam
'Lo community, especially long area blo bulap, money only winning plant the money, pe only using lo custom nam. Custom ceremony blo peak or custom ceremony blo circumstance blo big ini. Men only using money lo something a lo house tu, Maret tu oli mekem oli sumanile. Pe yimi welo narset oli sum le school fee, oli sum long Maret lol boy o narola something bagen oli sum le.
The first time we play no bin salem kava no kat all house all sem mi play stablo all house we lo mi plano all sem lokol material pe na ya mi lukse oli bin mekem sama house kava plol kata oli bin karem mani plol kata oli bin pe mol kava house plol kata all solar panel lo putum lo house minumok from minumu mi kat ting lo mi work lo all boy lo mi ubali karti ay.
So before you may start before any man got mobile phone or one man normally got also you use something or some word or say talk no more it already from Kava you meet them Kava or price or something or you want a product you'll try up also one name quality blame also one name more too before you use radio I think one main form of information say you play open block business you like at Kava Karamikam you must try you'll same tamali Karamikam suppose no spread or something quality blame different small no matchem where quality blame mi play sene mi go overseas mi play la nemol keta so next time only come improve all time so you me to call them ko the mobile phone come into play you make them life to me easy more now time also every man you say access them any place or something also sometimes I take them lo hosi come lo hilly come down lo road after track it take me come lo ship come kasem mi lo santo aelan lo santo Venice after lo place ya camion lo mi copy ma pro Wharf tay kam lo dok lo kava lo place to process him kava blimi ble kam lo standard blem blimi sen to basi suppose no money la kilel bet karani stable site lo rot no mo it depends say you stop where you stop lo aelan you stop lo mainland but even lo mainland ka some la place where very remote whenem al roto li no good to mas so suppose money ka tose mi la ki to mas suppose no if man karam lo backside.
Sorry, people work so hard. Process Blong Kava is long one. Blong farmer you wait 5 years before we start harvest them, and then all the hard work we handling must peel them good, wash them good, dry them for over 2 to 3 weeks. After pack them inside the bags, send them to Blong Kava, and then we make them same process, rewash, re-dry every something back again for quality control, and then must pound them. So process very long one, and because over the time we've been understanding process here, then we make me take them ownership of process here a bit more. So then we explain them processes here, consumer you understand them. So it's a lot of work, and because we appreciate them, so it's a lot of work. They were able to buy meet the cost for what it is. Port Vila alone consumes over 40,000 liters of kava per year, and I think it's 3-year-old survey. If I remember, I'm sure it has doubled even. So biggest competition for export kava industry, it's not other Pacific Islands, any fresh market, low Vila. Because there's a very large number of people in Vanuatu who love the kava so much. We only drink kava every afternoon, and so farmers would rather send them kava, called Nakamal, make the fresh juice as compared to dry and wait for another 2-3 weeks before you make a money.
We Madlen Valele. We mekem small Nakamal. We never mekem kava before. We mekem small town lo nimo. We rent one this crown lo. We mekem the way when we look so we rent after me no make too much profit, mo hemi no good too much. We try and find one place belum by mi sabe mekem by hemi also me look about me make small profit from me what I give him workload boy too. Mekem lo time we me mekem lo ni mo me give him one place where all my kam salem kakai from me look so try hard to salem kakai lol keta. After time me fly movie kamantavia hemi hard work little bit. From the maskat one place plus salem kakai mo emini team man mista kolosap lo pem kakai mista look maybe lo future come by me make one place close get house maybe si mani pass me look say kat one place close kakai balik ang da time me so pen lo place ya kabai ram kut na ya futuma sol simol Nakamal so hemi ko town lel bet giving work lol man be lo look lo mi lo future so by it come good one day. I mean, it's by Kamanta from me make a small place a long way. By finish, thinking lo miss by me make one place for mama or the salem cream kakai. And then maybe some one place back again lo mama come salem on kakai with any time. So hemi sabe all mama tete. Before long time all mama no got chance plus salem anything. You may lucky with tete or some say all mama li sabe pem kava. Oli kam, oli sabe mekem simol kava plol keta li salem instead lo askem papa every day lo giving one money set lo kopem red o pem suka o wanembe mama ikat small salem le hemi sabe kolosto hemo ani no bin plosta askem lol papa hemi mekem say give him idea lol keta mo hemi mekem oli look say okay maybe kat one something go you mi sabe mekem na ya time when mi finish lo nimo mi kamantavio li no kat place lo salem kakai pe ol keta li sabe try hard na plo find a place to salem kakai plo keta so mi plat lo lukem.
Vanuatu people love their kava and that's it's not something when we not talk against me and we want something whereby me proud like him and it's keeping it's providing jobs you got on Nakamal it's the mama is salem 20 matu so it provides like a broad base for everyone and make him small money like him so it's good. Also, you may sabe se folem kava must come to aelan. Supply kava they're probably the biggest consumers at the moment. They most of kava you come to islands and it very dependent on local shipping vessel for you. So time whether you know so what I love, the kava must sabe come.
Mi Michael Luze, mi one small kava exporter. Mi base Los Santo Movilla, and mi exportem kava blomi, mi exportem out Lovilla. I've been in the kava industry for almost 20 years, on my own with my own company for 9 years now. All first work blomi Los Blong Kava, mi work lo PRV plantation, lo time kava start go to Germany. That was before the Cavman ban. It was early 2000. Also, mon exporter, first something when we start look morning, start look meteo. Before I start watching meteo, because before I said me glad, because you rain, me no seba walk cold semonem. After me start look so, se cat ship stop come or no? Suppose cat ship stop come, me mas go stop lo Wharf, arrange lo camion pick him up all back cover, something or same. Ale lo dock. Which kava by me washem from every kava me fly stop Karemlo Island. Kava is never 100% dry, never 100% clean. So me fly all market me fly targetem, also all market will pay more high price between some narafla market. The minimum me fly must make sure no more say quality block kava block me fly me number one.
Hello, me name me Peter Colmar, me trustee bla Valele Trust, me one business bla family bla pem kava, me exportem kava. We're more east of the name bla me Madlen Valele. After me fale exportem more kava, me fale pem all kava all farmer. Me fale plan them too, but kava bla me fale no ready yet bla harvest them, so me fale no harvest them yet. So me fale pem all kava. Time he become plenty time he come, dry good, a little bit dirty, and dry season, wet season lose up to 8%. shrinkage from him. He wet little bit, he dirty little bit. We feel like water blast, and then we feel like dry him up from the export. You say he go a long way. Some export we feel like go all the way to China, he go all the way to US.
Nembrami olive, mi woklo valele tras, woklo mi lo inside lo doklo kava. Mi can work, mi service staff with them supervisor, salem kava. After mi vlay checkem kava, lol farmer we can salem. Mi vlay checkem me we good, but mi vlay karamika mi vlay work lem na inside lo san. Sani hitting lo amas minute 1 or 2, 3, 4 minutes smell. Karang come inside. Stay inside redi lem na ba mi vlay look me we good lo mi vlay exporten mi vlay redi lem na. Dan mi vlay come inside lo plus flow mi vlay so ba mi vlay come kapsete mouth kava we famay kareka mi vlay kapsete mi glos men mi vlay look first time. Lalu me we good to some chips we good el hol hanena mi vlay kivim baki golol kita pro mi vlay no karehan mi vlay kare pula chips I kamwe I clean good pi also me pa mi vlay pulo san pispo si kamwe kat moltilem kitoti pa mi vlay washem putum lo san sani trema 1-2 days me after mi vlay kare come inside me.
Mivlay katol plantation Blong Kava, potemos different kind kava. So mivlay stop harvestem kava, trema, ale exportem lo one la pharmaceutical laboratory lo Germany. After lo emia binkat kava ban. After mi tu mi ko start lo time mi pes mainly lo malakula. After mi ko walk lo santo, mi walk lo one farmer Madlen pita Colmar. Ale lo time mi fly start developing kava paiken. Lo time price lo try kava lo farmer mi 200 vatu lo kakai, ale 150 vatu lo rus lo 1 kilo price lo try kava. If la market lo time mi lo Fiji. No mea, but Fiji was the main one probably. Lo time mi fly start karem lo every place little bit lo Pentecost, lo Hombai, Maivo, lo Santo of course. No, it's not an island. Many.
You know Vanuatu, as much as we try, not everyone is business minded. So mass production, let me start lo lay sharp lo get awesome timeline lo get start lo lay sharp lo as much as maybe like talent keep up with the production, be consistent. You miss have a life lo Vanuatu, everyone is relax. So only way dan lo school fee, then I look for la kavaita, daily taman. Christmas ikam or independence ikam, happen sendal kavaita. So every other time of the year, challenging like that.
Area when we fly work plenty lem, all manually cut understanding finish lo commercialization Blong Kava se kava emi one emi true emi cut cultural value blem emi tu what cash crop we savel pemol basic daily needs lo some school fees or something also me. Forgatali understanding finish emi ala time.
For someone who doesn't drink the beverage, me appreciate him so much when Cavman or culture of Vanuatu cut from say. So every different Pacific Islands is got different custom around local. What we have in Vanuatu is unique, and that is what me appreciate them, and because me able to visiting more farmers, visiting more people on island, we look first hand how they make more struggles from kita. I make them say me sabe karam story come after me passing all end users, and for that matter, I make them work for me easy also. Most all islands and it primarily being BISLAMA, most rural islands here, we receive the highest rainfall of Vanuatu. Kava and me one plant where like in rain after having them high concentrate low limestone or saltage and heritage floor island, yeah, they have these two qualities. So most Blong Kava when we like them, because we're an export facility, it's now a law say any kava we lego shows for you it must be of the noble kind. Now that means the noble kind we mean say Vanuatu we got over 80 different varieties of kava, and in fact plantain we continue to evolve every time. So outlaw 80 year only putum lolo say there's probably 10 of it, 10 or 12 only of the noble kind.
Kava, I got planted three blem, lo different island from island to island. Each island we got only three blem. Mr. Lo Saudi kasem lo not. But the principle, lo thinking, lo consumption, lo kava, remain the same. Before time lo valais takam, kava emi one big valuable things lo custom. We got valuable hem, importance lem. Hemi reserved to some certain category of person. Lo alkatana mo likat right lo consume lo different occasion. Me take an example lo Southern Island. Lo Southern Island, it got a different authority block custom. Got three type of authority. One me head of state, one me prime minister, one me workman. Okay, those people here, it got one time no more. It got now it got right to drink out, and every man will stop surrounding got blow welcome kaflo. So it take me just blow come kasem. One time, especially, supposed to be correct during missionary time or colonial time, and ting blow separating practice, those practices, Mr. Kambikwana. So, time all missionary will come, or come to Vanuatu. Some will start with them say, no more custom practices, no more drink cover, whatever. Time issue time we make them me force more old man blow drink cover. And drink kava come to one extreme that combat him external invention. Immediately to one way that maybe he need to commercialize him.
Well, domestic consumption, I think any more big one between export market pike and in terms of volume and in terms of value. Price blow green any more good between price blow dry. Also compare with them kilo. So lol farmer any more interesting blow salem green cover between dry cover from price any more cool, no cut work. Well, supply any always one challenge from production area. I mean, no stable villa or any stable island. I mean, say we must make sure no more say all agent all cash money, more pem, more quality good, more putum no ship. So supply me always one challenge. More quality blow supply too. Price me more cool, no cut work, blame or me cut less work blame. You need to try map, make sure no cut more. So I mean one market where me more interesting all farmer. My valuable market here, me big one. Also, me been redeem all figure. Also, every week la villa. I got between 60 ton of green kava where all Nakamal, all consumers la villa, will start drink every week 60 ton, which is huge.
Me come one like a very big issue.
lo constitution block of the chiefs, most importantly Vanuatu Maori Council of the Chiefs. By constitution, constitutional mandate lo Vanuatu Maori me for preserving and promoting cultural identity of Vanuatu in terms of practices, in terms of languages and custom values. Unfortunately, consumption of kava has come to that extent that been come up lo Vanuatu Maori we must take come on board. That we need to put them back. Ting lo kava come lo how we preserve that values here. From the daytime we look today people take kava and become some alcohol use. Something of entertainment. You come to drink kava blood entertainment. There's no purpose. So lol first time you drink kava for purpose. You drink kava blood reni fall down. You drink kava blood yam me come. You drink kava. I mean now meaning spiritual meaning of kava as a communication element to the nature. So I mean now purpose to kava. So time when you come blood you start drink kava as a means blood entertainment of blood you haram good lem. The question is it kava is part of the custom. Yes, you may some kava make a custom ceremony, but the drink may reflect them fashion block about me tell them say me no. Time when you put them kava come lo commercialize. There is no more control. We don't know why we drink kava for what norms. Export them kava outside without put them all ticket how many kilos. Consumption rate, whatever something, and Vanuatu. From every product we come outside, Australia, the Chinese or where. By locally write them the paper blame them. And ingredient blame me also and so and so. And consumption them you make them also. The cover time we call a white page them. White caliconum. How you use them, how you control that's your business. So you may start giving on something without not really showing the people why when I'm now fashion but drink cover. So Vanuatu me open one thing, we may not give him all norms blame. So time when you may not give him norms outside, the locality may not have give norms too. You mean say young bala, pikinini, mama, whatever, or the drink cover without knowing what the starting cover for. Or the drink or someone say me one relaxation times, huh?
Law 79 time when they been signing constitution before when you make an independence spring there was a kava ceremony where you look rather well there and stand up. Kava comes as a representative law, so say alliances have been formed or reconciliations have been made or a marriage has been taking place or commemorating one's death. So kava plays a very significant role in our society, and for that it's got to be given the due respect it's deserving of.
Kava emitis takami niana mo just after 1980s takami. Before that, all kava emi reserve no more islands. I think first Nakamal supposed to be correct and Mr. Lo being here Nakamal. This is the first Nakamal when we make lo katalo Pentecost. And slowly, man only take that example now only style of Vanuatu say monkey approach. I copy from somebody to somebody from Semikati and we start making it. And Notana, as far as me understand, kava and you reserve lolvala, lol cheese plus one. Secondly, kava and you reserve lolvala namo, or bikinini, or young vala, or no res yet, or no yet, or no lao. And the most hardest one is woman only just no look no more money no drink. From reason me symbol from me value, and kava is a woman. And you take them kava as a means of valuable wife Kolkata. So I mean some sort of story, no?
But the challenge of being a woman in this industry where it's very male dominant, so we respect them all boundaries and we got all the restrictions. There are times when we must call on Nakamal, and I fully respect the fact that suppose we not allow to talk I know my husband will speak on our behalf, but this might appeal to women and girls of this age, this era. Say these are the challenges we must accept them. Say there's a place for us to speak, and then there's places where we're not allowed to speak, and we have to embrace that. We have to trust the men to make them walk out, but then also appreciate them. Say you are a woman, and this is your place in society. So let go establish them, and then when given the chance to speak, say it all.
Yumi naya sekte wa yumi stabi yumi kasem Amerika, yumi kasem Spain, yumi kasem China, Germany small time, after I got one small problem, but may finish, only correct time finish, but market is still no happen yet, yumi sta work lem.
Lo time ya, sem price lo kava, all femol man only look price go down plenty after lo kava ban, ni mekem se fula poli losum interest lo kava. Fula poli losum manitu from ibin katol crook baya tu ali rafemol kata. So fula poli no kat interest tu mas lo kava. Ale lo time price tu I low, so I no really one motivating factor lo blol fama. So only plan them, only mekem small money lem. No green gold or something.
Mani use them to the cover from a little bit more strong. Okay, you got all tok say hemi toxic. Hemi Cavman tok no more. Me make him toxicology study la US. Send him on prestigious lab. Or they check him Pelisi, will he say 2 day. Perugu after one blend but 2 day. After time he got some states, so we put him one more carbon named him Isa. In New Guinea, will he say 2 day. After we test them all together. After every something you must have every kakai where you make kakai salt, he need a little bit toxic, so you take him out small part ham or something. So or you make him toxic something, or carving not really toxic, but only find him out, say least toxic is 2 day. So opposite to what all scientists really tell them. So really minus savvy or they must make him toxicology study too, but only want to stick to theory blog with him one theory.
Also right now German market European packen they me one tricky one from commercialization blow kava product low and still only put more rule where me mekem say in fact you mean inokat one pharmaceutical group interest blow salem kava low from only put more strict condition law all man will be prescribed by medicine, yeah. So only start tricking you a little bit yet. Well, the side block quality cut full up something where you must take them into consideration. In no low level blue, you mean no blow make them sure se banya in no up and pike. So no level blue, of course, cut every something which when you are related to bacteria, also E. coli contamination or something also. You cut all mold, aflatoxin, where you have contaminated kava, suppose kava no try coat. You cut all part blockava, where you mean one time, or some skin peelings, skin blockava. Cut all upper part of kava, where I saw only cut skin or no, or small branches from all value blow kava lacton blow time in no eye or small marafla part blow kava. And of course, you got all different kind kava from some kind kava in a good blood drink every day. Also, me brand sabi.
Normally, all variety will tell 2 day. Hemi see you plant them after 4 years. Hemi about 50% more big. Beat him noble one. So of course, all farmer he more tend to plant that. You go all garden island. Hemi one mix like every kava. And after all man, you will tell them all government say no, me no good ya. But he said, but boo me, he plant them. But boo me plant them. Me plant them. Before everyone he drink. Before I cover bling for you tell him one him. We say, but one white man, we come to Franis. Him now he'd make him decision, yeah, after you for everyone he follow. And decision blem say he got 126 variety blah 2 day cover and 12 no more blah noble cover. And may I see you look selection, blah herbal selection, according to Pharmacopedia. Means say 2 day more good. From 3,000 years, all ancestors bufala, he select them. Only decide, only one to keep him here. 12 no more all noble ya.
I cut one agriculture census when you make them just after the independence. And me show him say lo time ya only call every farm. After you record them all man only cut amas tampa kava one em kind kava every agriculture product all kata. Lo time ya census ya show him say all farmer only cut call up 90% all noble kava all good for la kava lo drink every day. 10% no more in all 2 day kava. So I think no time only keep him all 2 day kava ya blow some special cattle special use blame also medicinal or I think some time special ceremony.
Tami ko lo pandekos torian lo pandekos lo not pandekos. where missionary black Anglican church and me come and Mr. Cavman olvala and metal magata so you stop Blong Kava before me fly kill me with it small man the church and then metal magata say by me continue Blong Kava and deal with it also no me no straight koko he me break man branch na balango and then suppose Kava no straight by me drink Kava me spell something and tomorrow I come back live na balango I grow back tomorrow he break him time tomorrow he come back branch na balango ya me grow back again and me spell him then say by take 1 week na balango I try from using Kava as a means of communication with the spirit so and me want challenging time and me challenge him with them the current spiritual concept the church and custom spiritual concept so means Kava he become one element of combating each other so despite of this, church me continue to start coming, and me coming one time that people only lo island blow south. Sorry, me go back one example. Island blow south. Some all blow me blow south. Only been kilometer from Kava. Only call president blow 5 years to 15 years, and only 7 president blow 5 to president blow time blow colonial. Just from say only stop Kava blow Kava only force blow Kava blow mark identity blow custom. So only kilometer from me, only collaboration for 5 years, some 15 years. So this is again the reason why do we need to recognize the Kava from seeking some story and from seeking some story we've been happen to force things to come under. Kava me part of custom ceremony, part of fashion day-to-day living, and consumption maybe become to one extent that people are deciding to sell it. It just come you know got one. So me correct or not by somebody correcting me. In the one government minister's decision when we say we need to come inside Kava. It is one initiative me come on inside the month and people let me take him to continue the day he me come on people market and you start to start them Kava me one commodities to export as a means of economy blah Vanuatu.
Law blow you me any folem all traditional knowledge blow all man law before. Yeah. So want something where you may not must export them at all, and you all wild Kava. From wild Kava, I mean no want something where blood drink at all. I mean want something also we call them flower Kava or Kava will start grow the bush. I mean tabu blow you may export them or you may salem from kind also me see I mean danger too. From I mean no cut one good something inside. After I cut all kind Kava well it talem today. Also lo Pentecost or talem all white Kava from time Pablo branch blame I mean white. Or suppose you call market by by local Kava yellow Kava. All kind Kava also me too only cut all property we only different packaging. So me only tell them all that today Kava. So in cut one Nakamal we want them 7 all kind Kava also me every day all customer blame. So you suppose you want them promote them all market lo drinking all market we drinking Kava. All Nakamal all Kava ba oversee. All kind Kava too also me ino mas call all market ya. I think all kind Kava ya only katal road blow katal lo wante all of some pharmaceutical market or something also me they know local farmers lo Kava ba market when the biggest market lo me na.
Me ask him a meeting, say ba low blue fella, we fella enforce me fella. Him including Nakamal too, say yes. Yes, they know an answer, but say yes. So, only never testimony Nakamal, but under the law, he say he tested me fella, from we must follow law. But say he really follow law, he knows under the constitution of Vanuatu, you must treat everyone equally under the law. What only no mekem, only hambak lo me fella, or Nakamal, only let go no more.
By Mr. Lo council sitting, attend the council sitting of Mr. Cam lo April this year. Mi vle start putum each island, Tana, and we must come up with them one regulation laws where we tell how all man time you kasem lo Tana what are you married lo one maila, but time you start lo Tana this is how the Tana control the consumption of Kava, and you come lo another island by me same magnum. And then once you control them on island, and then you start look you been one after. From you cannot target them you been one, whereas you tell them say no island is symbol no more. No, me island is no symbol. You fix the aelan, and then it's just you fix the mekem.
Kisah Elina, tambahnya kisah Eliruanati, langsung baru telepon temalo suci kuku kali, ai betani natai, yele abi kosu abi mari diwai.